Inventory control is the backbone of every successful business operation. It ensures that the right products are available at the right place, at the right time, and in the right quantities. Whether you manage a retail store, a manufacturing plant, or a global supply chain, inventory control forms the foundation for operational efficiency and financial stability. At its core, inventory control involves the systematic management of stock, from raw materials and components to finished goods, so that businesses can meet customer demand without excessive investment in inventory. It's the fine balance between supply and demand that determines the success or failure of a company's logistics and profitability. Without proper inventory control, organizations face challenges like stockouts, excess inventory, and cash flow issues. Stockouts lead to missed sales opportunities and damage customer trust, while overstocking ties up capital and increases carrying costs, such as storage, insurance, and obsolescence. Effective inventory control minimizes these risks by establishing processes, policies, and systems that maintain optimal stock levels. In doing so, it not only improves financial performance, but also enhances customer satisfaction, supplier relationships, and the overall agility of the business. The importance of inventory control goes far beyond simply counting items on shelves. It is a strategic discipline that aligns operations, finance, and marketing. A well-managed inventory system provides insights into demand patterns, purchasing behavior, and market trends. It enables companies to make data-driven decisions about production planning, procurement schedules, and distribution strategies. Through accurate forecasting and replenishment, businesses can reduce waste, optimize warehouse space, and respond quickly to changes in demand or supply disruptions. Technology has transformed the landscape of inventory control. Modern businesses use barcoding, RFID tags, and advanced software to track items in real time. Integrated ERP and warehouse management systems help maintain visibility across multiple locations, ensuring consistency and accuracy throughout the supply chain. These tools empower managers to monitor stock movements, analyze historical data, and set reorder points automatically, which reduces manual effort and human error. The integration of artificial intelligence and data analytics takes this further by predicting demand, identifying slow-moving items, and optimizing stock distribution across regions. Another critical aspect of inventory control is its role in cost management. By maintaining optimal inventory levels, businesses reduce unnecessary spending and improve cash flow. Inventory is often one of the largest assets on a company's balance sheet, and controlling it effectively can lead to significant financial gains. Companies with tight inventory control can lower their working capital requirements, negotiate better terms with suppliers, and allocate resources to other strategic initiatives like product development or market expansion. In essence, inventory control directly contributes to profitability and long-term competitiveness. Moreover, effective inventory control promotes sustainability and reduces environmental impact. When companies manage their stock efficiently, they produce and purchase only what is needed, minimizing waste and excess production. This sustainable approach aligns with global efforts to reduce carbon footprints and promote responsible consumption. It also improves brand reputation among environmentally conscious consumers and stakeholders. In today's globalized marketplace, where supply chains span continents and disruptions can occur unexpectedly, inventory control has never been more important. It provides resilience, the ability to adapt quickly when demand surges or supply slows. Organizations that master inventory control can pivot, respond, and recover faster than competitors. Whether through automation, analytics, or innovative replenishment strategies, the principles of effective inventory control remain the same: balance, accuracy, visibility, and responsiveness. By investing in inventory control systems, training, and continuous improvement, businesses can unlock efficiency, reduce costs, and deliver greater value to customers. Inventory control, therefore, is not just an operational necessity, but a strategic advantage. It connects every part of the business, from procurement to production, from warehousing to sales. Mastering it transforms companies from reactive to proactive, from uncertain to confident. And that is why understanding and implementing strong inventory control practices is essential for any organization aiming for long-term success and sustainability.